After entering Ipswich Road at the Woolloongabba Five-Ways, the Salisbury trams had to climb over a low ridge before making their crossing of the railway track near Balaclava Street. A couple of scenes of trains passing include two PB15 class engines running attached to take up their duties from South Brisbane station. The trams then ran through an area of light industry before passing under another low clearance bridge carrying the Cleveland Railway. Just beyond the bridge was the intersection with O'Keefe Street. On its very last turn of duty, scrubber car 14 is seen heading off towards Stone Corner. The grounds of the Princess Alexandra Hospital was a good place to view the passing parade and the Ipswich Road depot beyond. A manually operated point lever switched depot cars into the Tottenham Street entrance of the depot, where a yardman used a points bar to set the correct depot roads. A few scenes follow of trams leaving to take up afternoon peak services. In early 1968, a portion of the depot building was demolished for bus parking before these sequences of the last drop centre car 386 were made. Ipswich Road Depot, which opened in 1927, was the largest with 28 roads and occupied an entire block. There was also access via Cornwall Street on the opposite side. Scrubber car 16 is seen entering from Cornwall Street, then a failed FM is towed in from Tottenham Street by the Scammell breakdown vehicle. A tow motor then pushed the tram into the shed. Cornwall Street is being used by this tram crossing Ipswich Road bound for Dutton Park and a following car turning right into Ipswich Road. Outbound cars soon faced another climb to reach the Annerley shopping centre, then after passing the well-known Chardon's Hotel, progressed downhill again past Woorooka Park. Leaving Ipswich Road, the tracks veered left into Beaudesert Road. An inbound FM car is seen through the colourful blooms in Stimson Park at Moorooka. A series of bends on another ascending gradient brought the trams to the Moorvale shopping precinct at Mayfield Road, Moorooka. Prior to World War II, the terminus was located here. However, following the completion of the extension, it was used as a short working point. These scenes show some activity at the crossover, which was regularly used for the Moorooka services. This contactor on the overhead was used to detect the presence of a tram, so the traffic light cycle could be adjusted to show a green light as the tram approached Mayfield Road. The extension to the terminus was laid quickly in 1941 with open ballasted track beside the curving Beaudesert Road. The reason for the extension was to move the hundreds of shift workers to and from the munitions factories which had been set up near the new terminus. This crossover was for cars working to Compo Road, Salisbury. Just beyond the crossover, the tracks turned left into Evans Road for a straight run and final climb to the terminus, which was near Tarragindi Road. Route 71 trams arriving on the through service from Clayfield had just completed the longest journey of 17.8 kilometres with a scheduled running time of 63 minutes. The extra siding was used originally to hold additional trams in readiness for the wartime shift changes. However, it proved useful enough to be retained.